Now we are discussing the next problem, 20th problem. Given below are the data obtained for the decomposition of a gaseous compound in contact with tungsten at a certain temperature. The initial pressure in millimeter in mmHg is A1 is 50 and A2 is 100, and half-life period is also given. T half 1 is 3.52 and T half 2 it is 1.78. Find the order of the reaction. So they are given the A1, A2, T half and T half of 2. So as in the case of 19th problem, it is also similar to the 19th problem. Write down the equation for the half-life period. This is the equation. N is equal to 1 plus log T half into 1 minus log T half into 2 divided by log A2 minus A1. Then A1 is given pressure 50 mm and A2 is given 100 mm. T half A1 is 3.52 hours and T half 2 is 1.78 hours. So direct substitution, we will get the answer is 2. Next problem, for the reaction 2NO of gas plus Br2 gas to give 2NO-Br. The following are the certain temperature. Following are the data were obtained at a certain temperature. This is data is given in the table. So our question is find out the order with respect to each of the reaction. See here, in the experiment, the reaction is NO and Br2. So NO and Br2 is the reactant. They are given the concentration of the NO and Br2 at 1, 2 and 3 in the particular interval of time. And also they are given the R value. So this is the another method for finding out the order, that is the Van Hoff method. Van Hoff method is R2 by R1, that's equal to K into concentration to the raised to the power M into concentration of the next reactant to the power N. That is the Van Hoff method. So they are given R1 and R2. R1 is equal to K into, first of all we have to write the rate expression according to the equation. So it is given that is the equation is 2NO plus Br2 gives 2NO-Br. So rate expression is R is equal to K into concentration of NO to the power, it is not 2 because the 2 is, this is an experimental quantity rate expression. So we don't know how much the power of the NO. So substitute the NO to the power M and Br2 to the power N. Then R1 and R2 it is given 1.30 and R2 it is 1.17. So the direct substitute the value. So K into R1 is equal to K into concentration of NO, it is given 0.10 to the power M into concentration of the Br2, that is 0.10 to the power N, that is equal to 1.30 into 10 to the power minus 6, and R2 is equal to K into 0.30 to the power M and 0.10 to the power N, that is given 1.17. So similarly we have to write the R3. Then the Van Hoff equation is R2 divided by R1, that is the rate expression for the first and second time is divided. So the rate expression is the Van Hoff method. The equation for the Van Hoff method is R2 divided by R1, that's equal to K into concentration of 0.30 to the power M into concentration of 0.10 to the power N divided by K into 0.10 to the power M and 0.10 to the power N. See here, in the R1 and R2 the concentration of B is constant, or concentration of the Br2 is constant. So we can cancel that term. So we get only 0.30 to the power M divided by 0.10 to the power M. So we will get 3 to the power m, that's equal to 9. So m is equal to 2. Similarly, in the second case, that is 2 and 3, compare the 2 and 3, the concentration of the NO is constant, but the concentration of the Br2 is varied. So similarly, we can write R2 R3 divided by R2 is equal to K into concentration of 0.30 to the power m into concentration of 0.20 to the power n divided by K into 0.30 to the power m into 0.10 to the power n. So we can cancel the 0.30. So we will get 0.20 divided by 0.10 whole raised to the power n. That's equal to 2. So 2 raised to n is equal to 2. So the n is equal to 1. Let's substitute in the first equation. Rate is equal to K into concentration of NO. Here m is 2. Substitute the value 2. And Br2, the n is 1. So substitute 1. So the rate is equal to sum of the power of the concentration term in the rate expression. 2 plus 1, that's equal to 3. Next is the overall order of a reaction, that is 3, and the value of the rate concentration of any one experiment can be substituted. Let us the value of the first experiment. So K is equal to 1.30 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 0.10 to the power 2, 0.10 to the power 1, that's equal to the 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 6. It's a simple problem. Minus 3, sorry, minus 6, minus 3 liter square mole inverse, mole raised to minus 2 and second raised to minus 2.